Hello guys, you are once more welcome again to this channel. We are going to be looking at how to create a website as similar to Google Drive where you can share files. So that is very interesting. So we are going to be looking at how to design that, how to create that sort of website exactly, so you will be able to share files, send files to someone else like Google Drive exactly. So let's do that. Okay, so this is a system. I had a little break. Okay, so with this system, what you can see here is, if you press on this, you see how it gets to open up your PC. You can get to see what's there. And from here you can open up your files. Yes, you can open up your files and upload. So let me try uploading something. Let's check. Okay, let me go into something like mobile apps. Okay, let's say this one. The moment I upload this, okay, email to, let's say let me just give one of my emails. Okay, so email from I'll use this one, then say hey, that's a file. So I think that's good. Fill all. Okay. So let me take now the file again. Let me use this which is small. Okay, so let's see how that works. So the file is 11 megabyte. So make sure you have let's say a little fast connection to do this. So you see it works exactly like Google Drive. So here is a pattern where you can share files. Okay, so it's 100. So if you are using paid hosting, then it's fine. You can go ahead, and what you simply need to do is you need to create a database first. So that's what I want to do now. So just go go ahead and create a database. So this is all we follow for this. So I need to create a database. This is what we are going to be using, this drive.ra. So this is a script. So while that is going, I'll extract it. I'm going to extract it to the place where I want it to be. So I need to extract it to, okay, for now let me just extract it here. Extract files. I'm going to extract it to, you need to locate htdocs or public_html. So you need to locate htdocs or public_html on your server, on your host. So locate it. So this is mine here. So I think this is htdocs. It could either be htdocs or public_html. So make sure you locate that correct. So I'm going to call this website, it's just a directory, so I'm going to call it drive. So I'm going to call it drive. Okay, it seems as though that is taking, so I'm going to call it drop. So I'll call it drop. Okay, so I'm going to extract that here. Okay, so the file has been extracted to drop. Let me check. Okay, this is our host. This is phpMyAdmin. So you go ahead and create a new database. So I'll create a new database. I'll give it a name. I'll give it a name of drop. With the name of drop, I create it. Okay, so I'm going to assign a user. So you need to assign user privileges. So I'm going to assign a user. I already have an account, admin, localhost, as you saw per the previous video. So I'm just going to give this guy access to it. So let's see. I'll click on edit privileges. Yeah, I'll make sure all of this is checked up. Okay, database, drop. Okay, so make sure you grant the privileges. Okay, so I've granted the privileges. So right now I think can use it. Okay, so what do I need to do now? So here, remember, for you just need to extract the files. Don't bother, I'm going to explain to you how you can get the files by the end of this tutorial. So extract the files to htdocs. So this is let me look it for drop. Oh, it's like there's a problem with it. Let me see. Okay, instead extracted inside. Okay, so there's no problem with this. So what you simply need to do is copy all of it. I'll cut all of it from inside of here and I'll paste it okay, I'll paste it inside of drive. Let me just paste it from here. Yeah, and we're going to delete this one called drop. Okay, so this is it. So make sure you have extracted the .htcss file and this index.php. So make sure those two are extracted. So from here you simply open application, open config, go to database.php. Yeah, on database.php. So from there, now from database.php, you now need to locate database. So the database name there we created was drop. Database was drop, and the password I think is soccer. Oh, I think I've made a mistake. Instead, the database is called drop. Okay, the username is called admin. So make sure you have this right. After you have done that, press Ctrl S to save. Okay, so that's it. So I'll go now to my browser. We'll locate for local host. So for you just need to put your website URL and maintaining the directory. If you have any problems with that, please don't hesitate to contact us immediately. You get assistance. So you just need to locate the directory where you have extracted your files in. So we put it in drive. So that's where it was. Okay, so put it on drive slash okay, so drive slash install. We want to install. Okay, so I believe you can see this. Okay, it says welcome to Droppy. Start. Okay, yes, purchase verification. Okay, so click on next. Let it validate. Okay, so admin email. I'm going to use a default email. Okay, so admin password, I'm going to just go about with this. Okay, so create the user. Okay, so everything is set up. They say please delete install.php. So how do we do that? So I need to go back here and okay, there's no install.php even here, so it's fine for now. Okay, application controllers install.php. Application controllers install.php. So I say we should delete this. Okay, probably so there should be no means to reset the site. Okay, so go to control panel. So this is it. We had you just need to log in now the credentials you created. Okay, and password. Okay, sign in. Okay, so this is the system. Exactly. So when a user uploads, people can download, you can upload backgrounds, pages. Okay, so let's first of all check in the front end. So it's just going to be localhost. I'm just going to write localhost, then slash drive. Localhost slash drive. Okay, so this is what users see. Those who are using the system. This is what they see. So let it load. Okay, so you need to accept our terms and conditions, whatever. Accept. So accept the terms and conditions as you want. Now you can see the system is all set up. Let's begin adding some. Okay, so this is a system. Add a little break. Okay, so with this system, what you can see here is, if you press on this, you see how it gets to open up your PC. You can get to see what's there. And from here you can open up your files. Yes, you can open up your files and upload. So let me try uploading something. Let's check. Okay, let me go into something like mobile apps. Okay, let's say this one. The moment I upload this, anyway, that's how it works. I hope that's okay. So you can do it from here. Now from here you can see these are different pages which I've created. So from here you can always change the pages and do some little style up again depending on what you want. So from here, let me log into the back end again. So is it local host slash drive slash admin. So here is the admin panel. So I think the password, okay, let me check if that's correct. Okay, we want an email account. Okay, let me see. Okay, so this is it. This is total uploads. It gives 1 because of what I just uploaded. So these are active plugins. So this is everything about the system. So how does this system work? From here you can have settings, general settings. So I hope this is a good environment. So from here you can see you can have site name. Okay, I can change the site name, so let me just call it my drive. Yeah, my drive, like Google Drive. Drop online file sharing. Okay, so you can set site keywords for search engines. Let me just say Google Drive, even though it's not, so I'll just put it like that. Site URL localhost/drive. So in case you are having, I believe you're having yours, so you put your site URL favicon, so you need to specify that this is this what you see here, that's what they call favicon. Site log site. Okay, disable log, upload page. Okay, so that's self-explanatory. Select which part of the site you would like to have protected with the password. Okay, so in case, so disable log, so you can log the password or the download page where someone gets to download. You can log that. Now disable IP login. So these are other settings. Google reCAPTCHA. Do you want reCAPTCHA before the sign in? You get this. How do you get reCAPTCHA? If you want to get reCAPTCHA, you move on to Google. Let's say, so you just search for Google reCAPTCHA. You are going to find it there. So if you want reCAPTCHA, you go on Google, you go and do some search. Okay, so we see here upload. Now name on zip file is called drop. It is a default name. So from here you can have other little extensions like this. Upload ID length. Okay, this is the length of the generated upload ID. Okay, like this. Password function enabled. Yes. Destruct function enabled. Okay, this is for if in case maybe when the user downloads it automatically destroys something like that. Default share type email. You can have link. Okay, so I like link, so let me leave it like that. So destruction default. Okay, we should leave the one. Default recipient emails. Let me just no. So I'll use this. So enable autofill email sender. Okay, yes. Send verification. No, I don't want that for now. Okay, available expire time, so you can set it. So expire time. Encrypt files disable, and you need to have a PHP module open SSL installed in your server. Okay, for example, for right now I'm not using an SSL, so it will not be needed. File previews. Okay, enable. Okay, slash uploads directory. Okay, so let me save this. So that's saved. Let's check on now the system. Let me reboot, reload. Okay, so from now you can see that the message is, let me just put a message hello. So I'll just put something like that. Okay, no, then select a setting file. Okay, so let me add. Okay, I'll just leave that one. There. So let me see. Okay, setup to upload that. I believe it's processing. So while it's doing, let's check on. So email, let me see what email from. Say no reply, drop a email from. Okay, that's the name. This is it. Okay, so this is if in case you email someone with it, that's what they receive. So that's actually very nice. Okay, so let me check email server. Okay, local. It's a local host. Okay, local. Okay, you can also have SMTP where you configure everything. So SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. So if you have your host authentication port, so I believe if you have this information you can always configure that. So for now I'll just leave that to local. Okay, so we have email templates. So maybe English. Yeah, you have received some files, so this is what the person is going to receive. this is what the person is going to receive. Someone has downloaded your items there, okay, use the verification code, whatever. So this is what the person is going to receive in case everything works through. Now you have social, okay, for links. So these are for social. There are going to be social links there, maybe to contact you with the owner of the website, so they are going to be there. So I believe you can find your way through that. Terms and about us page, have you seen? This is what is there, so you can write your about us page. So whenever someone comes here, maybe terms of service, this is what they are going to see. That's what they are going to see. So about also, that's it. Advertising in menu, maybe you can put it here as menu code. So for example, if you want ads to be running on your site, if you want ads to run on your site, you can put it. So you can advertisement and upload. Do you want it in a way that when someone wants to upload, adverts should pop up? Maybe maybe just disturb the person. Contact, okay, enable contact form, enabled. I can enable that. Contact from receiver, the email address where the message should be sent to. So these are settings. You also have system, okay, so these are system. For this system right now, these are the files. So let me see. Okay, available storage 64 gig. Okay, this is for the server, so these are all of the information. Okay, so let's check plugins. Okay, premium subscription, support for PayPal and Stripe payment. Okay, this you can start collecting payment. So Droppy, this is for unlimited file storage, stuff like that. So I believe this is why you actually need to go and purchase. You need to do the purchase. So themes, okay, you choose a theme that you want. Choose a theme. The theme is like how the appearance of the site. Okay, for the different pages, you can create a new page. See, you can create a new page. Page, let me just call it services. So page content, this page is powered by, okay, I can just write Infinite Web Revolution. Okay, so this is fine. So I can maybe copy this, I set it as a link. Maybe I put here infinitewebrevolution.com. Okay, so that's our official website. So that's it. So I can say add page. Okay, the page is now there. If I now come here and it's like if I reload this page, services has appeared. Okay, so this is it. This page is powered by Infinite Web Revolution. Then when I click on it, okay, it takes me to Infinite Web Revolution official website. So I think that is good. That's good. Oh, it has taken me to a new page. Okay, the reason why this happened is because there was something they called here target. If you scroll down to the bottom of a link, for example, this is the link, right? Let me edit that link. This is the link. If you go to target, not set, so I need to set up to new window. So if I set this now, let me see if let me go back here. So if I go now to services, if I click on this, it opens up a new page. Have you seen? Unlike the first one which he just loaded from here. Upload, processing, status processing, link, no email, to download, password not available. Okay, it says it's processing. Okay, I think it's just taking a little bit more time than usual. Little time to maybe process. So provided everything's fine. Let me check on backgrounds. So the background, okay, if you check now, the backgrounds which are changing, this is it. So you can add new background if you want, add URL. In fact, you can change so many things. You can change so many things. You can change so many things. Okay, since we are processing your file, please come back later. We are processing your file, please come back later. Okay, so I think it's going to take a little time. It's going to take a little time. So when it's done, I believe it's going to be fully uploaded when the status is there. So okay. I believe it's because I'm using the local host. That's why that's popping up. Okay.